You guys can open it.
Yes! 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 That's so big. That's just from the box. Really? The box is boring.
What do you think it is? Aiden says what it is on the
Yeah,
front.
Nicholas, go read the front of Aiden's box.
Read the front of Aiden's box. What does it say?
Digital piano?
You have a new piano!
Piano!
Yay! You're going to be taking piano lessons. How fun!
Make sure that doesn't fall on Blake.